So I learned to read the clouds of dust. Watch the ash settle. I don't pray for the rain when the sky's made of rust. I read the cracks in the earth, then I swallow the dust. You wait for the savior, but the prophet is here, with a tongue full of glass and a prophecy clear. I speak to the bones of the cities that fell, while you hide in the shells where the echoes are yell. The well's running dry, but I'm drinking the sand. I'm the drought with a face and the sun in my hand. Yeah. Dust prophet, speaking in ash, no water here, only wrath. I predict the end of your reign, while you choke on the dust and the pain. You build on the sand by the wind, take as the mortar. I'm the storm that reforms the border and shortshire. You pray for green, but the gray is eternal. The journal of ash where the lessons nocturnal. You carry the water in buckets with holes. I'm the oasis that kills when the traveler rolls up to drink from the pool that I poison with truth. Now the youth is consumed and the elders elude. Let's go.
The soil rejects your seed. Only thorns remain.
Dust prophet, dust prophet. Grind of the waste. You are the crop that I taste. No rain, no relief, just the grind of teeth. Whoa. In the rust on the blade, while you trading your truth for the shelter of shade. The prophet don't sleep, cause the visions don't cease. I'm the grease in the engine, all degrees. You plant in the dust, but the harvest is fire. I'm the choir of bones, singing higher and higher. You thirst for the liquid, but I give you the dust. In the rust we trust, cause the metal must bust.
The clouds gather, but they bring no water.
Dust prophet, final call. You are nothing but mineral. Turn to stone, turn to sand. I am the hourglass in my hand. Sermon from the jar of a bed with the dead left their head just to hear what I said. You can't abrogate when the source is a lie. I'm the giant, the throat and the soul in the eye. The prophecy ends where the desert begins, and the sins of the skin turn the scales and the fins. I am the dust that remains when the world dissipates, with the bones of the earth circulates.
Now with the flood, it was about the absent. The dryness teaches more than the water ever could. Drink the dust, become the dust. Prophesy.
Dust.